Here is a scenario. Your engineer provides you with a part number and description for a fiber optic patch cable. Your search for the part number leads you to a company website called Insight. It turns out that your purchasing department won't order from Insight because the company does not have an address. Now it is up to you to find a suitable alternate cable. Corning Optical Communications is a good choice to search for fiber optic cables. One way to search for fiber optic cable is to create the part number yourself using the Corning 2-Fiber Patch Cords PDF. With this document you can create a part number for a duplex to duplex patch cable, or a reverse polarity uniboot cable. The uniboot design allows one cable to carry both fibers, reducing patch cord bulk when routing, and they can be converted from a crossover cable to a straight-through cable without exposing the fibers or needing any tools. Alternatively, the duplex patch cords use 2 fibers each with their own jacket. Let's create a reverse polarity uniboot duplex patch cord part number. Based on the description given by the engineer, we require a multimode fiber cable with LC connectors on both ends. For this reason, the first 2 numbers is 79 and 79. The 5125 in the description indicates 50 micrometers, which is the diameter of the fiber core, and 125 micrometers, which is the cladding that surrounds the core. Also, the description indicates OM3, which indicates a fiber cable that supports 10 gigabit Ethernet for up to 300 meters. For this reason, T is selected for number 3 of the part number. The flame rating is not specified. Plenum is the more stringent of the flame ratings. These cables are used in spaces that facilitate circulation of air. This is not the case in our scenario, so a riser flame rating is sufficient. The final part of the part number indicates the length of the cable. A value of 2 and a unit of measure of m indicates a 2-meter cable. The part number that has just been created can be used on the Corning website. You can see that by adding a few more characters at the end of the part number will get you different colored cables. But we want the Aqua colored cable. On this page, you can see all the specifications for the cable. You can also select technical documents to download the specifications. Finally, you can use your part number on a distributor's website that carries Corning products. Here are examples of 2 sites.